Hi Albert, how are you? Thank you very much for your submission. I hope you enjoyed Island 3. On this island, you learned quite a few things. You learned about types of jobs such as florist, historian, accountant. You learned how to ask about jobs by saying, "What do you do?" and "What does a firefighter do?" You learned how to explain about jobs by saying things such as firefighters not only fight fires, they also teach people about the danger of fire. You learned about the word endings of some jobs such as cashier and florist and historian. You also learned how to make jobs using compound nouns such as truck driver and police officer. And then we looked at suggestion and obligation using should and have to. Now, Albert, the writing mission was to write a job that you are interested in and also to tell us what they should or have to do in that job and tell us why you are interested. So let's take a look at your work. Albert, I was very impressed with your work. I was very impressed that you want to be a volcanologist. First, I'm very happy to see that you used the correct ending, IST. Now, you said, "I like volcano." Now, generally we would say, "I like volcanoes," plural. Then you said, in the volcano, there is fire, rock, and the mountain. Yes, excellent, well done. Your next sentence, when you want to be a volcanologist, then you need to know many things of volcano. Once again, I think you should say of volcanoes, but I was very impressed with your use of the comma here and the full stop here. Good punctuation, well done. Now you mentioned a Korean volcano. Okay, you mentioned one and you said its name is Baekdu Mountain and Hanra Mountain. I assume you're talking about two different volcanoes. So I would suggest that first you say, "and Korean volcanoes are still dormant." And if there are two volcanoes, I would say they are Baekdu Mountain and Hanra Mountain. Then you say, "therefore," very good word. On Earth, volcanoes are generally found where tectonic plates are diverging or converging. Be careful, converging, you need G here. And you mentioned that most are found underwater. Well, you know so much about volcanoes, Albert. This is fascinating. So I can see you already have learned a lot about volcanoes. So I'm sure that one day you will become a volcanologist. It sounds like a very exciting and a very interesting job, and I hope you enjoy it. Well, thank you very much for being with me this week. I look forward to speaking with you again next week. See you later. Bye-bye.